All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Guess what? Ladies and gentlemen, the hottest big ticket or high ticket opportunity out there today. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can simply earn 10K a day with your own solar energy business. Imagine massive recruiting with a residual being paid every week without you having to sell anything, people. Okay? This particular flyer, I'm going to show you how you can get your flyer or your postcard sent directly to a neighborhood. Okay? You can pick a zip code where they got those nice homes. I'm going to show you and teach you how to get your postcard, how to get your flyer directly into a gated neighborhood where a lot of people, it's been hard for them to get to. Okay? I'm not talking about you having to look for business opportunity seekers, because we just need people with homes, and we're going after the big homes. Look, you can go to www.gogreen.byldnetwork.com. That's www.gogreen.byldnetwork.com, and you're going to see how you can just sign up. Okay? Now, check this out. Once you get started, I'm going to show you how to get the mailings done. They're going to be able to go straight to your website, sign up, and you get paid. Not only that, but for the $199 one time, and then there's a $99 a month. But this particular flyer and postcard is going to help you get those people. That's what this one is designed for. It's just to help you get those 4 people. Once you get 4 people, that $99 a month goes away. Or that $149 one time and $49 a month. That $49 goes away. It's going to be simple. It's going to be easy. All right. Go to www.gogreen.byldnetwork.com. All right. Or you could simply fill out this form, your name, your address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address, and I will email this to you. Okay, I will email this to you. Give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Follow me, and I will get this out to you. But once you get started, and we're going to put your website together for you, when that person gets your postcard, right? They're going to be able to go to your website, put their information in, load up their utility bill. Now that utility bill is going to tell me how much electricity that you're using. It's going to have a barcode on there. That barcode is going to tell us how much electricity that they're using. Okay. It's also going to have AI software go over their address when they load that up, right? It's going to be able to go over the address and show them exactly where the solar panels will be put on their home. When they get started, people, you can look at getting $7,000 to $10,000. But here's the good thing. We have mentors that is going to call them, book the appointment with you, and they're going to do a Zoom with you and that person on the phone, right? And so when they do that Zoom and they get started, you're going to split that with that mentor. So that 70% payout that the company is $7,000. It's going to be $10,000 just from getting the solar, but they're going to pay out 70% to you. So what that means is you're going to split that $7,000 with that person that's closing for you. All right. And my goal is to get you to be a mentor where your name go on the list and people get to select you to do closings for them. But for right now, all we want you to do is get started. Go to gogreen.byldnetwork.com. gogreen.byldnetwork.com. Sign up. Let me get your postcards to you. Let me get this flyer to you. This flyer is just to get people to get into the business. The postcard is going to be designed to go to those homes. And when it goes to those homes, they're going to load their bill up. Okay? That mentor is going to contact them and going to do a Zoom. You get to listen to how they close those deals for you. And guess what? You split that 50-50. You get $3,700. The closer gets $3,700 because the company is taking that $10,000 and they're paying 70% out to you and I. And guess what? You get to build a team, a left and a right team. This is so simple. It is so easy. Don't pass this up. Go to www.gogreen.buildnetwork.com. That's gogreen.buildnetwork.com, or simply give me a call, 346-704-1754. I look forward to talking with you and explaining this to you in a little more detail. Now, those of you that get started at the $199 or the $149, I'm going to do a video for you. One free video commercial for you at the $149, and at the $199, I'm going to do two of them for you. Remember, the $99 goes away. Once you get 4 people, you're going to get this same flyer right here that I designed. All you do is you mail this to those people on that business opportunity list that you have, or I'll provide one for you. Okay, we get those 4 people. Now we're going to start working on getting you that postcard that I'm talking about. And I show that on another video. But this one is just designed to show you how you can get $3,700, people, just from one person going green. It is so simple. It is so easy. Look, you pay your electricity bill every month and you own nothing. And after that contract you have signed up, it's going to go up another 12 to 15%. Having your own solar system, it's like having your own electricity company. Your electricity bill goes away. It goes away. And all you're paying is your solar, but what you're paying is half of what your electricity bill was. Okay? And you're getting your solar system that belongs to you, and now the electricity company has to give you credits. If anything ever happens and you have to use that grid again, guess what? You have credits and you pay nothing. It is so simple. It's so easy. Give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. I look forward to working with you. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. And also, you're going to get $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. You're going to get $1,000 in fast food restaurant coupons of your choice when you get started. Okay, let's go green. Let's go build. www.gogreen.byldnetwork.com. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are.